Are you looking for the best e-bike locks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best e-bike locks that are available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Chain 1415 and New York Disc Lock. Wrapping this chain, U-lock combo around your e-bike is a great way to tell would-be bike thieves to forget about it. Blending a 150 cm chain made of 16 mm 6-sided hardened manganese steel links and a 15 mm U-lock outfitted with a steel shackle poses a double challenge against theft. The disc lock is reinforced with an anti-drill, anti-pull protection system. It's hefty and not super portable, but it is excellent for securing your e-bike in a garage or on a bike rack near an office. It offers plenty of length and flexibility for locking up both wheels and most e-bike frames. It's even an excellent choice for locking two e-bikes together. The manufacturer offers a generous theft protection program with purchase. At number 4. OnGuard Brute Mini number 8112. U-locks tend to be lighter and less expensive than chain locks, but that doesn't mean they're necessarily less secure. This mini version of the Brute Classics, for example, is small but mighty. A whopping 16.88 mm shackle thickness makes this lock extremely difficult to break into, even with an angle grinder. It's super portable and easy on your wallet, too. It fits into a back pocket or bag, making it a favorite of bike messengers and anyone looking to keep their weight down while cycling. Get 2 for your e-bike for extra protection. Snap Lock Quick Release Multi-Position Mounting Bracket 5 Laser Cut Keys. X4P Quattro Locking Mechanism for 4-sided protection, longer 90 by 140 mm. At number 3. ABUS Granit CityChain XPlus 1060. Strong, flexible, and heavy. That's the best way to describe this tough chain lock from ABUS, known for securing bikes, scooters, and motorcycles since 1924. The chain is beefy, weighing in at about 6 pounds. That's because it's comprised of 10 mm thick steel hexagonal links, and the textile housing protects against paint damage and wear and tear. It's equipped with patented ABUS technology that provides extra protection against twisting and violent breakup attempts by hammers, bolt cutters, and saws. It can be a bit bulky to transport, but you can wrap it around a seat post or even your waist while you're in motion. Let the extra weight bring you peace of mind. At number 2. Hiplock E-DX. Looking for something specifically designed with an e-bike in mind? This super tough chain and D-lock combo might fit the bill. This 1-2 security punch is definitely durable. The D-lock is made of premium hardened 14 mm steel while the chain is made of 10 mm steel. Hiplock is also known for their wearable bike locks. Simply fasten the chain around your waist or over your shoulder while you ride. Their U-locks are designed to clip onto a belt, pocket or a bag. This clip-and-ride feature ensures that you'll never leave home without your e-bike lock again. At number 1. ABUS BORDO Granit XPlus 6500 Folding Lock. Folding locks offer portability, flexibility, and security. They are lighter than chain locks but can still be locked around objects of many shapes and sizes or woven through wheels and the bike. This ABUS model lock body and links are made of hardened steel bars encased in a soft coating to prevent scratching. The links are made of 5.5 mm thick links designed to prevent the lock from being cut through. The 6500 weighs a bit over 3 pounds and is simple to carry. Just fold it and slip it into the included carrying case, which is easily attachable to your bike's frame with Velcro straps or by screwing it onto your bike's bottle cage mounts.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.